Yeah, guys, so far, this is a nice looking spot so far, man. Their menus is like this right here. Look at their menus. Menus are digital. I like it though. I like it. Something different. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. Yeah, I got the egg rolls right here. These are cheese and steak egg rolls right here.
Steak and cheese egg rolls.
What I said?
Cheesy steak egg rolls.
Oh, what the fuck?
Try salami. You ask for lemon. You don't like lime?
This shit's good.
Do I stop recording?
I think I'm gonna get
Yeah. You good? Yeah.
Why hit the button like that?
to go do that in my damn stomach.
Yeah, this shit good as fuck.
Let me fuck that was out of here.
That drink strong as hell.
I'm gonna have to drink it though. I'm gonna have to drink it.
Why?
Ask for it.
I think it's the best one we ever tried, actually.
Yeah.
Cake Max, I
It was good too though.
think. I gave this a good ass 8, 8.5.
Yeah. That give me like a, I get out 7.5. God damn, girl. God, shit, yeah. Sarah got listen. Swallow that motherfucker. Yeah.
This here. Damn, I got the Marley's Big Breakfast, man. God damn, that shit. Don't mind the chicken, that shit was good as hell. Got the chicken in a while. That shit good.
Oh, the chicken good. Chicken season too.
The waffle good? It's alright.
I wish I had more syrup. I'm trying to like save my syrup.
I didn't even take a picture of my food. Damn, that's how I know my ass is fucking hungry.
That is cool. It's cool? Yeah, alright.
That's why I'm like,
I'm gonna try the egg. I'm gonna try the egg.
I think the burger part is my favorite portion.
Try some of that egg.
it look nasty.
Huh?
It look nasty.
Try some. See if I'm tripping. I give it a good 6.
Oh, well, that's come out loud.
Not really.
Look at that ketchup on it.
Good 6. Average.
That's a fucking win for me.
Average.
It's
Tastes like
kind of
McDonald's.
butter they use.
Tastes like McDonald's.
I don't know what McDonald's is, they butter. The pancake was good though.
Huh?
The pancake was good though.
Might not be shit. That's alright.
Alright.
I hope it's better.
I don't drink flour. I think you bullshitting.
Huh?
I think you bullshitting. Yeah.
Yeah. Probably. You might be right. Some people on TikTok bullshit. But most of them had got chicken wings though.
They had them jerk wings.
Yeah.
And they came probably during dinner time where they have more, like, they didn't probably come through brunch time.
I gotta eat though. I got the buzz, man. I got the fucking buzz. That drink hit me.
Thomas loves her. Whatever good, bad, that happened between them, Thomas loves her.
Yeah.
That means you of her. Yeah, for those who it's like the way Artie does it is very extension of me. Like, I just feel Artie treats me pretty well. Like, he's like, 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 he don't be liking the way you're like, so, like, I'm gonna let you handle that shit drives me. Like, he be like, so, what now? So this sounds like a problem. Yeah, but I'm glad, and it's, even though the way I said it came out fucked up, that's what I meant by I hope these years of years start to understand things more, and you start to develop your relationship with people in a different way, and you start to learn yourself and learn how to, move about your relationships with people and see things for what they really are and not what you want them to be. Like, that'd be the hardest part. Like, one thing for me
The chicken is the best part, though.
They're lying on TikTok. They be lying on TikTok.
It's probably good to them around here.
Huh?
It's probably good to them around here. We have better wings. We have better food in Atlanta.
Thank you so much. This will feel like that's something he really wants to.
You might have to go to Baltimore. Yeah, we might have to go to Baltimore.
Where we at right now?
Hyattsville.
Okay.
I'm done with this shit. I'm pissed off. I'm done. This shit is disgusting.
You want my chicken?
No, I don't want shit. I'm ready to go. That shit pissed me off. I'm up out of here, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment in that damn comment section if you want to chat what restaurant I should try next time.